welcome if you're new to my channel. This is Achel from Creative Achel. Today we're going to make fried chips, very crispy at home, better than the one that you buy from the supermarket, and your kid, they're never gonna stop eating it from your hand. So I have here the potato. I peel them and slide them that way, and I left one of the potatoes here so you can see how I cut it. I just peel it like that, and then I went and cut it this way. It's according to like what size do you want. I'm gonna start cutting them. That's right. So if you want them bigger or smaller, it's something that you can, control. And this is how they look like. Yeah, this is how they look like. So to cut them this way, it looks like the machine, but it's actually your handwork. What you need to do is to dry the potato before you put the corn flour on them, because the corn flour is the one that is gonna make your potato nice and dry. Have some flour. So dry them all this way, like you don't want any water in the potato. After you dry them, I have here another plate. What I'm gonna do, corn flour. Again, just put the corn flour around, and then I'm taking the potatoes and dip them in the corn flour. Try to mix them as much as you could. I have to mix it in my hand. So, I'm gonna put some more. Here is the corn flour mixing with the potato. This is the all ingredient that you want, because to make fried chips outside, there's a lot of stuff that they have to put in, but at home this is what you need. And I'm gonna show you how to have the best fried chips. Oil is hot. I just put one to try it on. Put before try. So what I'm gonna put now, I'm gonna add more. I think I'm going to put all of the amount I have here because I have enough oil. Here is my chips, they're all cooked, and as you can see, nice and crispy. Hello again, and this is how my chips tend to look like. They look so crispy and cook very well. You can see. You see, it's so crispy. It tastes better than the one that you get from the shops. I'm gonna put the chicken salt in it. Here you go, and this is how you get your chips crispy nice at home without putting any chemical or not being worried about anything that is being added into the chips. You know exactly what you put in your chips and what your kids are eating. Thank you so much for this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video so we can other people can see the video. Until I see you again in the next video, bye for now.